This is how you clean your cuticles.
You're not cleaning, you're trimming off excess hair.
Hair?
Skin.
You mean skin?
God.
What's this tool called?
Don't know, forgot.
I'm going to call it a cuticle
Cutter.
cutter. How to use a cuticle cutter. There's a name on it, I think, on the other side. And this is how you do it. Very carefully so you don't poke yourself or hurt yourself. All right, let's see the name of that. Does it have a name on it?
No.
This is also a cuticle cutter.
Nipper.
A cuticle nipper. So now we're nipping cuticles. That's how you do it. Got to go all the way around, get all your cuticles completely nipped. This is a fingernail file. You push it at the bottom, right there, and it spins.
You don't push it at the bottom, it's on.
Oh, it is? But I got to hold the bottom and make it go.
It's broken.
Oh, all right. So you press this forward, and then you got to kind of hold the battery in there. All right, show us how you use it. And what are you doing here?
Just buffing off, smoothing out my nail.
And what is that called?
It's a nail drill.
It's a nail drill. Putting on some bonder.
Bonder dehydrator for your original nail.
You have to put that all over the bottom?
Just the original nail. It's nail glue. That'll go on next if I have enough left.
I think you got another whole bottle.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so she's getting that ready. So you put 2 coats of that stuff right there.
It helps bond the glue and the powder when I do it.
Okay.
I just do one hand at a time.
All right, what's next? It looks like we're going to start dipping it. All right, so here we go.
I do it in layers.
What are we putting on now?
This is just nail glue.
And the nail glue is called, that's it right there. Sticks it in there. Yeah, I'm done. Oh, so that's how the hairs get in there.
Yeah. I need to get another brush. I have many.
Okay, so that's one. Sharpening your stick. It's important. And then we're going to put some more on here. We're going. So we do this 3 times, right?
Well, I'm doing it in layers, but yes, it's going to be 3 times, and it could be 4, depending on what it looks like.
So we're going to do the little finger first.
I come forward, yes.
And then you have to do that with every finger.
Right, right. Now I might get away with just 3 here.
And that, what are you doing right there? Just kind of...
Just evening out because it's on my skin.
So you're taking the junk off the skin. Getting something sharp. So it is a tedious thing.
Mm-hmm.
So we haven't even done one finger yet. But you got to do this to every single finger.
Mm-hmm.
And your thumbs. Got to add the thumbs in there. You don't want to have like your fingers done and then like 2 thumbs with nothing on them. That would be crazy. Okay, so now you've done 3 dips in there. And that's why they call it triple dip?
I think I can get away. Well, no, not at all.
Why do they call it triple dip?
I don't know.
All right, so that's 1 finger.
So that's 1. And then I think I can get away with this amount. We'll see when I file it. Then you have to seal it all with an activator. And this hardens it. And then it's done.
So the activator is this right here.
And I'll come back later and file that.
That's what it's called, the activator. And that's done, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so now you're going to do every single finger the same way with 3 applications. First application, you do the bottom part. You don't get the whole finger. Stick her in. Shake it off. Grab the brush, brush it off,
A lot of people don't do this part. I just don't want to waste all that powder, you know,
Powder's
because
expensive.
it's so fine.
Then you clean it with the little sharp instruments of, try to get it off the skin, if you have any on the skin. Then you put the, what is that, the activator? No, that's the, what is that called? That's the bonding agent.
This is the glue.
The glue.
I don't think I was supposed to go all the way up there.
So we're doing like 3 glues, right?
Yeah.
And the bottom one's almost done, but it's not, hasn't been polished yet. I mean, the little
Well, I
finger.
have to smooth it out and
So getting it off the skin.
because if
that's
I
important.
didn't take it off my skin when I put that activator on, it would harden it to my skin,
That's not good.
which it's kind of already doing.
Now, is this safe for your body?
Who knows? Probably not.
I mean, is it toxic?
Probably.
Okay, and now do we do one more dab?
I should go get another brush.
All right, we got to put the juice on. And then that's the last one. And then you're going to do that with every single fingernail, right? And then when we come back, then we'll buff them out. All right. All right, so the next step is to file them down like this, making them nice and smooth. So we got to do every single finger.
See, I just filed them all smooth.
Okay. Then what?
Smoother. Then I have to do my other hand now. Then
So we do both hands, and
Yeah.
then we put the clear coat on.
I put a
after.
clear top coat on, and then it's done.
Okay.
Dry.
So we're finishing off the last nail, and now we're going to do the next phase, which I do believe is washing your hands and drying them. So we come over to the sink, get them nice and clean. Don't forget to do this. This is an important part of the whole process. This is an important part here. We got to get them nice and dry. Make sure they're dry before you put the stuff on. All right, so first we're going to put activator on. Do we do each nail, or do we all do all?
I do each nail,
Okay.
and then I paint one hand, and then I do the same on the other.
So we're going to completely paint the whole hand. And bam, we're going to do the other hand after. And then next, on the same hand, we're going to put this stuff right here, which is called top coat. And we're going to do every single fingernail.
And
Look
I'm
how
only
pretty
gonna
it
do.
looks.
I'm only gonna do one coat.
Just one coat.
Yeah. Sometimes I do 2.
That looks good. Look how pretty it looks.
There's something in here. Crap.
Uh-oh, something on the thing. Gotta make sure your brush is
And
clean.
it hardens. Did I get it all?
Yeah, I think so.
No.
Looks good.
It'll be all right.
Notice that she gets the edges too. You got to get the very edge of it. Very important. And then you try not to get it on your skin.
This is almost done.
And that's one hand right there as soon as we get that thumb. Right? Or are you going to come back and put another coat on? Or?
No, I'm not.
It looks pretty good, I think.
Yeah.
How long does this take to dry?
Minutes. Just a couple. It's hard.
So you got to be quick on your application so you don't...
Yeah. I mean, it's actually seconds in the application, but I don't touch it for a few minutes.
All right, let's take a look. Let's see those fingers.
So
What do you
let that
think?
Dry.
Wow, they look shiny. All right, that's how you do it. Now you got to do both hands.